Bathroom falls are one of the leading causes of serious injury in the home, and a correctly installed grab bar is one of the most effective preventive measures. The difference between a safe installation and a dangerous one comes down to bar length, mounting method, and weight rate. Here are 5 of the best options available. 1. Moen Home Care 24-inch. The Moen 8724 is the most consistently recommended grab bar across independent testing and expert review because it solves the 2 most common installation problems, stud placement limitations, and exposed hardware, without requiring specialist tools or professional. The secure mount installation system is the feature that sets this bar apart from standard grab bars at the same price. A standard grab bar must be anchored into wall studs to safely support the rated 500-pound load. In most bathrooms, stud placement rarely aligns with the ideal bar position, typically 33 to 36 inches from the floor along the shower wall. Secure mount uses a toggle bolt system that achieves a secure hold and drywall between studs, giving the installer flexibility to position the bar exactly where it is needed rather than where the wall structure. The concealed screw flanges cover the mounting hardware with a smooth decorative plate rather than leaving bolts. Exposed mounting bolts collect soap scum and moisture recess screw holes, which accelerates corrosion and makes cleaning difficult. The concealed flange design eliminates those recesses entirely, leaving a smooth surface that wipes clean in one. The 25-inch bar diameter meets the ADA specification of 1.25 to 1.5 inch. The range independently determined to be the most comfortable and secure for a wide range of hand sizes and grip strengths. Brushed stainless steel resists corrosion in sustained shower humidity. Backed by Moen's limited lifetime warranty. For most households adding a grab bar to an existing bathroom, this is the most practical and reliably installed choice. 2. Moen Home Care 36-inch. The Moen 36-inch version of the top-ranked bar, and at this length it covers the primary back wall position in a shower. The single most important grab bar location in any accessible bathroom. Installation. The ADA standards for accessible design specify a minimum 36-inch horizontal bar on the back wall of a shower. This position supports the user during the full range of shower movement, turning, reaching, and lowering more effectively than any other single bar plate. A 24-inch bar on the back wall is too short to provide consistent hand contact across that range of motion. The 36-inch bar maintains grip contact regardless of where the user. Because this bar uses the same Moen Home Care construction as the 24-inch model, the same brushed stainless finish, the same 1.25-inch diameter, and the same secure mount system, it matches directly if installed alongside the in a full accessible bathroom installation with multiple bars, consistent finish and flange diameter across all bars produces a cohesive appearance that a mixed brand installation does not. The secure mount system applies here as well, allowing installation at any angle regardless of stud placement. The 500-pound load rating and lifetime limited warranty apply to this model identically to the 24-inch version. For anyone completing a full accessible shower installation or replacing a shorter back wall bar with the correct length, this is the right choice. 3. Amazon Basics 24-inch. The Amazon Basics grab bar delivers ADA-compliant stainless steel construction with concealed screw flanges at the lowest price of any permanent wall mount bar making it the most practical choice for multi-bar installations where per unit cost adds up quickly. A fully accessible bathroom requires a minimum of 3 grab bars, a 36-inch bar on the back shower wall, a 24-inch bar on the side wall, and an angled or shorter bar near the shower entry. Fitting 3 bars from premium brands at full retail price adds up substantially. The Amazon Basics bar meets the same ADA specifications, 1.25-inch diameter, 500 pounds load rating when installed in studs, concealed screw flanges, at a fraction of the cost per unit. Across a 3-bar installation, that cost difference is meaningful. The brushed stainless steel construction resists corrosion in sustained bathroom humidity. The concealed screw flanges cover the mounting hardware the same way the Moen flanges, removing exposed bolts that collect soap residue. All mounting hardware is included in the box. The same product line is available in lengths from 12 to 36 inches, allowing a matched set of bars in consistent finish across multiple positions. For a household fitting bars throughout the bathroom, shower wall, tub surround, and next to the toilet, this is the most cost-efficient way to meet ADA positioning guidelines without compromising on quality. For budget-conscious households or any installation requiring multiple bars, this delivers the required safety standard at the lowest cost. 4. Standard Wonder Pole Floor to Ceiling. The Standard Wonder Pole is the right solution for any household that needs safety support immediately, but cannot drill into walls, including renters, residents of listed or historic properties, or families arranging emergency support for a returning hospital. The tension mounting systems installs by extending the pole between the floor and ceiling and tightening the internal spring mechanism until the pole is held firmly in compression. No wall anchors, no drilling, and no permanent modification to the bathroom. The pole adjusts to fit ceiling height from 7 to 10 feet. Optional floor and ceiling mounting hardware is included for permanent installation if the situation changes. The rotating curve grab bar swivels 360 degrees and locks at 8 positions spaced 45 degrees apart. This allows the grab bar to be positioned at any angle relative to facing toward a toilet, angled toward a shower entry, or positioned alongside a transfer point from a wheelchair. The adjustable bar height means it can be set to the exact position that suits the user's reach and standing height. The 300-pound load rating is lower than wall-mounted bars, which is a relevant consideration for heavier users. For users within that weight range, the tension mount provides reliable support for the standing-to-seated transfer and balance assistance the pole is designed for. Not intended for use inside a bathtub or shower enclosure, for renters, temporary care situations, or any bathroom where wall drilling is not an option, this is the most versatile and immediately deployable safety. 5. Safer Grip Suction Cup. The Safer Grip suction bar is the right choice for situations where a permanent or tension-mounted installation is not possible. Hotel stays, visiting family homes, short-term rentals, or as a temporary measure while a permanent bar is being. The 2-3. 75-inch locking suction cups attached to smooth, flat, non-porous surfaces. Glazed tile, acrylic shower panels, glass shower screens, and enameled bathtub surface. Flip-down locking latches engage the suction cups against the surface and provide a visual indicator that the bar is properly seated before use. The bar attaches and detaches without tools in seconds, making it practical to carry. One critical point requires clear emphasis. The Safer Grip is designed and rated for balance assist only. It is not designed to support full body weight in a fall. The manufacturer states this explicitly on the product, and it is the most important specification to understand before purchase. For a user who needs a bar they can put full weight through during a slip, a transfer, or a lowering movement, a wall-mounted permanent bar is the appropriate. The suction bar fills a different role. Light steadying support for users who are mostly stable but benefit from a contact. The textured rubber grip surface provides tactile feedback and reduces the likelihood of the hand sliding along the bar during. Available in multiple lengths. Lowest price in this group. For travel, temporary arrangements, or light balance assistance in low-risk situations, this is the most practical portable option.